your hand?
Well, just a minute ago.
Come here, Sam.
Yay, my hand!
Well, now I'm hungry again. Here, give me your wrist and I'll glue your hand back on. Sam!
You better what's going on right now and... Oh, my stomach! Oh, my mouth! My mouth is on fire! Yeah, it sure is. Really delicious.
You sure have a big appetite for such a little kitten. Wow, you really are hungry.
I'm not scared of anything. Except that sound.
I'm so hungry, my stomach is growling.
I wonder if it's like it now.
Bill, you keep this now because it's really gonna be silly. Yeah, I can feel it in my gut. Wait, that's my stomach.
It's not that big of a deal. Dog emoji, was that you? It's just her stomach again.